Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Pinterest. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in pinterest.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Pinterest website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and proceeding with your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which if you wish to block someone, simply search for their account by using the search box at the top section. Once you find their account, just go ahead and click on it and you will be taken into their account page. Click on the three dots alongside the follow or unfollow button, depending on whether you already follow this account or not. Once you click on these three dots, you will see the block as well as the report button. If you simply wish to block, then you can click on the block button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this user. Go ahead and click on the block button once again and this user will be blocked from your Pinterest account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can block someone on Pinterest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.